Hello? Is somebody in here? Hello? I ain't got no money. Huh? Mom? Dad? It's on the side. Jesus? Is that you, my Lord and Savior? You trying to rob me? I ain't got no money. I ain't got nothing but a dog, and that motherfucker barely gonna do something. It ain't no bully. It's a hoodie. You can come steal it if you want to. And I ain't got no PlayStation 5. I ain't got nothing but a PlayStation 2 and a GameCube. Shit, you ain't got that much shit still. Hello? Man, I ain't gonna lie, big dog. You come here to kill me, you might go ahead and kill me. Make that shit quick. Put a switch on that motherfucker. Shit, doing all that damn knocking. You must be a ghost or something. If you a ghost, you ain't paying no bills. And if you here to kill me, go on kill me before the first. So I don't gotta pay rent. So I don't gotta pay no more bills. So I can be just like that ghost in this motherfucker. Live for free. Shit, disrupting all my sleep. You might well gonna go with your move. Cause I ain't finna get up. Shit, I gotta work in 2 hours. All that damn knocking and shit.